Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to give you step-by-step guidance because we all want to know English, but we don't know how to start or where to start. But from this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guidance, so no need to worry now. And in my first video I'm going to give you how to give your introduction. Okay, this is very relevant because giving introduction is a very relevant from the job point of view, or if you are going to give some interview, or if you are going to meet someone new, some new friend, then you need this. Okay, you should know this. So I'm going to give you guidance that how to give your introduction. You can use simple 3 sentences and you can give your introduction. First one is you can say your name. In second one you can say your hometown, and in third one you can say your occupation. Okay, just repeat after me. Okay, first one is your name. My name is, and say your name, like my name is Junam Devi. And in second one you can say that I'm from Tejpur, Assam. You can say your hometown. I'm from, and say your hometown. And in third one you can say your occupation. Whatever job you are indulged in, you can say your job. Or if you are a student, then you can say that I'm student. So third one, that my occupation is like my occupation is teaching, and you can say this, that my occupation is, and say your occupation. And after that say this all sentence together, like hello, my name is Junam Devi. I'm from Tejpur, Assam, and my occupation is teaching. Say these 3 sentences together for 3 times or 4 times. Okay, or you can make video, or you can say this in front of mirror. Okay, record your video or say this thing in front of mirror. And if you learn these 3 things, and this is, for me, this is sufficient for you at the very beginning of your journey, or at the very first day. If you learn these 3 things, this is sufficient for you. Don't take too much pressure, and just learn, chill and learn. Okay, so this is all about today, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.